Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesign.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. I got a new clip! I got a new clip from Victoria's car so that I can film and not look down. I can look up. I had to stop and pick up some groceries today. And y'all, these kids don't listen. They don't listen at all. Well, he's not a kid. He's probably 20 because he's working at Walmart really early in the morning. But I said to him, put the water on the back seat and the rest in the front seat. I said the rest in the front. I didn't say seat. He heard Jimmy the trunk open, and I don't even, I left the car running. Supposedly when the car's running, you're not supposed to be able to open the trunk. But all of a sudden I'm like, how did he get it open? Like a wizard. Oh my God. I was just like, what just happened? Did I not say put it on the front seat? I said put it on the front seat. I'm out of smoothie fruit. And my joints have been hurting really bad lately. So I 2 days ago used up the last of my frozen fruit. So I had to get some frozen fruit. That's all that's back there besides the water, frozen fruit. So I'm like, there was like 2 bags of frozen fruit and I thought just put it on the front seat. Nope. Anyway, I gotta pop into Walgreens. There's a coupon deal I gotta get. And then we'll be good to go for the day. Y'all, my Walgreens is just... The girl there is nice, but they can't get any of the offers right. Like, their computer system's all messed up, and I don't know if it's like they're gonna tell me that that's done at corporate, but I have a hard time believing that because when I place the order online, it comes out correctly. Well, last night I didn't do the online order. I went, I'll do in-store since I'm going to be going to Walmart anyway for my grocery pickup. Well, they had, again, feminine hygiene products because I've got a teenager. 2 for $5. They were on sale, 2 for $5. On the app, it says 2 for $5. So I buy the exact same ones that are in the photo with the coupon, and it's $4 off the 2 for $5. So you get them for like 50 cents a package. Well, that's what, I want the 50 cents a package. They're 2 for $5, right? I ring up and it rings up wrong. And I'm like, okay, no, something's wrong. So I get the receipt because it's always better for me. I can't argue with them unless I can see the bloody receipt, right? So I check out and I get the receipt and it says 2 for $5.49 or 2 for $8. That's literally what it said. So it's like, no, that would be $5.49 each or 2 for $8, but it said 2 for $5.49 or 2 for $8. And then it rang up as 2 for $8 with the $4 each. So I went back in and I said, this is wrong. And here's your app where it says they're 2 for $5. This is the exact same item at 2 for $5. Okay, she has to give me that back. Well, they had Sally Hansen gel nail polish on sale for $4.99. There's a coupon in my Just For You only for Sally Hansen gel nail polish, $5 off, which would give me an extra penny off my order. So it would be free. The coupon didn't apply. I have to call Walgreens to get that coupon applied because it's a Just For You coupon. The girl was just so frustrated having to give me the $3 back. Then she couldn't put it back on my card. She had to give me a gift card. I'm like, oh my God, I am just so sick of freaking Walgreens right now. And everything is not right. I mean, it's like, what's going on? Because I can show you on the app exactly where this is wrong. And the girl's like, oh. couple other coupons didn't apply too. I'm gonna have to call because I can't deal with that girl. She was just like, okay. I'm home and I called Walgreens and I got like $6.50 back. So frustrating. Some of it was things that I misunderstood, and a lot of it was that they literally, who's calling me now? Hang on. I kind of figured it was my doctor's office, but I didn't realize it was for a thyroid ultrasound. Y'all, they need to get their head out of their butts. Anyway, so I'm feeling all Marie Kondo today. I'm feeling like I need to pick up. I don't know. I just want to clean. Mostly because Uncle Emil's dresser is coming in. And I just want to clean it before it gets in here. Because that's another big project. And there's just dust everywhere. And dog hair. And my garbage needs to be taken out. Although I don't want to take it out today because of the wind. So my neighbors have a different garbage service than ours. And like, I'm driving down the road and a garbage can came rolling out at me. It's like, oh my gosh. Victoria and I are like, oh. It's just, I thought somebody was like pushing it. But no, it was just the wind. I have like empty boxes. I gotta get rid of the stuff. It's just too much stuff. I came in and I started working on a project that you guys won't see here. It's a project for the website only because the website's not getting enough love. So I'm going to be doing projects that only appear on the website. They don't appear in the videos because, you know, it should be a different animal. It shouldn't just be a rehash of everything that I do here. And I'm hoping that TikTok will also become different. Like, I could use the same videos, but then it's just, what's the point, right? So, plus TikTok's the place where I can do more funner stuff. Is that a word? It's way more funner on TikTok. Plus I can cuss on TikTok. So if you don't like cussing, I probably might cuss on TikTok. It happens. I tend to cuss like a sailor. And, yeah. That's just the end of that sentence. I'm going to go get a big garbage bag because I think I want to get rid of a lot of stuff here. I got a lot of stuff that I need to just purge. Like brushes that were hardened. This one was primer. I used this for a primer. Now the boxes are getting squirrely. I gotta go get a garbage bag. Some of you had inquired what the bag was in the back of my door. It's my garbage. So I'm gonna put that in the big garbage bag. I think somebody asked when I was looking for the hardware. Did you look at the bag on the back of the door? I'm like, that's my garbage. There's nothing in there but garbage. So I'm gonna pick up a little bit and then we'll see how I feel. I just need to sort of sort some things out here. Then I'm gonna find those handles. I'm gonna be mad, aren't I? All right, let's just do it. Okay, I got like a full thing of garbage out. And then I'm cooking dinner at the same time. So I'm making like an advanced dinner. And I got sidetracked. And it's like, there's way too much going on in my world. Anyway, I'm going to be doing this now for at least another 45 minutes. Then I gotta go get lunch so I can pick up the kidlet. Ufta. So my husband wanted I mentioned egg salad, making it for Pickett, like to take sandwiches to Pickett. And then my husband yesterday said, well, I heard something about egg salad. And I'm like, you want egg salad for dinner? And he's like, well, I thought that's what you were making. And I said, well, I can make it for tomorrow. So I was pressure cooking the eggs. Love that pressure cooker. All right, I got to get rid of some of this stuff. Like, I don't think I need I got a rag, but I don't think I need my scarf in here now. Considering it's 100 degrees and humid outside, I think I've got a few more months before I need the scarf. So that can go. I don't even know why there's a gnome in here. Huh. I'm going to get all the wood pieces out from that other project that I'm going to just stick outside until I'm ready to do something with them. There's no reason for them to be in here, in other words. All right, let me get to work. Do I look glossy? Because I feel hot. Oh, I got hot flash bad. I got all my boxes out of here. Those are just some project pieces that I need to work on. So I'm in a clean spot. Didn't say it was organized. I said it was clean. Said all the garbage is gone. This is going to take me more than a day, by the way. So get used to it. I warned you before Junk Bonanza that I was going to need to Marie Kondo this place. My problem is I start getting like interested in what I have, and then I'm kind of off on my own little world. I got to stop doing that. Got to not be off in my own world. There's a lot of 5-minute projects like, that'll only take me a minute. That'll only take me a minute. That'll only take me a minute. And then they didn't get done and they got set down and they're not done. They're still not done. So there's a lot of those projects and I need to corral them. So there's a bin over here. That's projects that never got done. And it's lunchtime. I have to stop now and go get the kid. I have to eat lunch and go get the kid. Otherwise, I forget to eat. And I've been told that's not good for me. So I got to stop and eat. I got hollered at for that. Like, I just don't eat until dinner because I kind of get involved in what I'm doing. Then I lose track of time. Then I go pick up the kid and then I'm starving at dinner. And I was like, apparently that's a bad cycle to be on. So I'm making an effort to take better care of myself. And we're going to just like stop and have lunch now. Lunchtime. Okay, well, it's late afternoon and it's time to go to Pickett and put all the tags on my outdoor stuff. Because I didn't tag any of it. I know there's something wrong with my thyroid levels because, really? Like this morning, I woke up in a good mood, and then after lunch, it was like full-blown depression. So I haven't done much because all I'm feeling right now is, what's the point? Why am I doing any of this? And it's like, this isn't a good day. It's not a good afternoon, let's put it that way. Now I'm just waiting for the tour to start. It looks nice in here. The vendors again knocked it out of the park. I forgot all my 4th of July stuff. Everyone else got their 4th of July stuff. Looks good. Very, very nice. I'm still not feeling it though. But that's okay, we'll get through it. I got water in my pocket, that's not attractive. Ham's Toast, the 1965 twins. Oh my God. Kid looks like he's 5. Some really nice stuff in here again. Really nice. Okay, I'm heading home. They're on the road. They're not even behind me. This car beeps a weird thing. Okay. I'm gonna head home and remember there's a detour. Remember there's a detour. The tour went good, I think, except for there was a woman in the yard who was trying to like mouth things at me while I'm doing the tour. So I know there was a section like middle, like toward, while I'm heading towards the main house, I'm trying to avoid her and trying to like, what do you, go away, read the signs. I'm like, yeah, we open tomorrow. Well, it's a little distracting. I mean, clearly I'm doing something. Big, chat. You can see I'm doing something, but you're trying to talk over me. Talk. I sounded Minnesotan there. Talk over me. Anyway. I'm going to head home and hope tomorrow's a better day. Which is sad because this morning was like really, I felt really good. But I've got to go to Vintage Junkie tomorrow. We're going to have some guest vendors in for a weekend. And I contacted a bunch of people that I know from different pop-up sales and asked them if they wanted to participate. And they all said yes. So we got to measure up the space and figure out where people are going to go and what's going on. And they're going to have a vintage vendor, or not vintage vendor, but vendor pop-up, like guest vendors in the alley outside of Vintage Junkie one weekend. And I'm going to help coordinate that for them since they're all my friends coming. So it happens, I make friends when I'm at these events that start talking to people. So as soon as she said, thinking about having guest vendors, I was like, I know some people. I know a few people. And some really good people. I know some really good people. Heck, if you're a vendor and you want to come in from out of state, that'd be the day. The 30th of July. If you guys want to head up for a Saturday. It probably wouldn't be worth your time, but it's available. Just saying. Give me a call. Okay, guys, I'm going to call it a night because clearly I need some sleep or, happy pills or something. I don't know what I need. All right. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.